Just that little bit longer
Yeah.
at the end.
Wait for someone to say cut.
Just keep the straight
Just,
ahead until
I'll be here for hours if I do that. Imagine you have ways to use maths to find a needle in a haystack. For example, my needle was a tumour causing Cushing's disease that wasn't found for 4 years. This can be achieved using maths. Think of a field of haystacks. Each haystack is a person and the field is a community. Maths can tell us if a needle is in a haystack and what that needle looks like.
As this basic diagram shows, a haystack represents an individual made up of their symptoms and results from clinical tests, here at the top and right of the diagram. We feed all this information into a mathematical filter that learns to remove the unnecessary information. The result is a filter that can identify and filter out the presence of a needle, the necessary information, and therefore the disease.
What I've learned is that filters can be refined using gathered information and applied to any haystack to find needles faster than simply digging through by hand. The result is a tool that helps medical professionals avoid delays of diagnosis. Perhaps I wouldn't have needed crutches to walk for 6 months or developed life-threatening blood clots. Data-driven computer models are like thrashing grain to blow away the chaff and find the needle in a haystack. These tools can be used to more efficiently identify a specific needle among multiples in any haystack.